Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the LMQ-ML brand, their automatic motion sensor touchless 2.2 gallon garbage can with an extra trash can on the left there. It's waterproof and the company does offer a lifetime warranty. This gets great customer ratings and it just takes two AA batteries, no big deal, they lock in place. And it's about 9.3 by 6 by 12.6. The narrow shape allows it to fit perfectly in narrow places, like in a bathroom between a toilet bowl and a sink. And the capacity is pretty decent, 2.2 gallons. Now to operate this is really cool. You can just wave your hand over there and you can see that it opens up, and then with a little bit of a delay, it'll close. There's also some open buttons on it, so I wave my hand there. Let's move this closer over here. There's also some open and close buttons right there. You click, and now it'll stay open, allowing you to put your garbage in there as long as it takes. Then you click the down button. Also has a tapping feature, it comes on, and that way you can just kind of tap it with your foot, and then it'll go through its timing cycle and drop down. Really nice. On the bottom of this, it has the opening for the batteries right there. And really simple to put them in. You just put them at the correct polarity. And then it has this holder right here. And if you want, you can put a 2.2 gallon bag in there if you want to have it with a bag. Another great thing is how silent. All you do is barely hear it. So that's nice. There's no loud sound with the gearbox. So here's just an example in our bathroom. And it's so nice and small that it fits next to the sink. And it opens up nicely. So after testing, what do I think about the LMQ-ML brand, their automatic motion sensor touchless garbage can? It's really cool. It's actually fun to do. And if you have a cold or something and you don't want to get your germs on anything, this is perfect for that. This is cold season right now. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.